Welcome to Voxme Inventory. Follow these steps to activate your license for the first time. Step number 1. Open the App Store and download Voxme Inventory. Step number 2. Open the app and tap on the gear icon. Step number 3. Tap on Settings. Step number 4. Tap on User Registration. Step number 5. Insert your company information. Insert your company ID, full company name, website, and a phone number. Also, insert your name, email address, leave the server URL blank, select the language, units, and tap on User Registration. Now wait for the email from our support team. Once you got the email from us, tap on Check Registration. Tap on Settings, tap on Configuration, tap on Download Configuration, and you should be all set to use the app.